Hello, friends. I always believe that the simple, natural ingredients around us are the most wonderful sources of healthy nutrition for our well-being. Today, I will guide you through the detailed process of making a natural tonic drink from cucumber, ginger, and lemon combined with parsley. This drink is not only delicious and refreshing, but it's also my secret to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, keeping my body light and full of vitality. Before we begin, which country or city are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below to let me know. Now, let's head into the kitchen and take it step by step. To save prep time, I usually combine these two fresh ingredients to wash and soak them at the same time, which is both quick and hygienic. First, I lightly rinse the parsley under running water to wash away any loose dirt from the leaves. Then I use a knife to trim off the roots and separate the stalks, making it easy to thoroughly clean those hidden spots where mud loves to hide. Next, I put the prepared parsley into a large bowl, then added the cucumbers to wash them all together. For a deeper clean, I add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sea salt into the bowl and 1 tablespoon of baking soda to effectively remove any pesticide residue. Now, I start running the water into the bowl. Pouring water directly over the salt and baking soda helps them dissolve faster, while the water pressure naturally forces the cleaning agents into every single crevice of the greens. I gently wash them, tossing both the greens and the cucumber so all the dirt comes off. Then let everything soak together for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure not to soak them for too long, as the greens can get soggy and the cucumber might lose its crispness. I fill the bowl with fresh water and gently rinse each stalk of parsley and the cucumber. This step is crucial, as it thoroughly washes away any remaining salt and baking soda, restoring the original crisp taste of the ingredients without affecting the flavor of our final tonic drink. Once washed, I take them out and let them drain completely before cutting. Once the ingredients are thoroughly washed and drained, I begin cutting each type separately before putting them into the blender. For the parsley, I place it on the cutting board and chop it into short pieces about 2 to 3 centimeters long. When chopping this green, remember to keep both the stalks and the leaves. Many people only use the leaves and throw away the stalks, but the stalks actually hold a lot of water and fiber, which gives our tonic drink a smoother texture and a sweeter, fresher taste. Next is the cucumber. First, I am going to slice this cucumber in half lengthwise. Then I go ahead and trim off both ends. Now, I just need to chop the cucumber into small pieces, about 1 centimeter thick. When making green juices or smoothies, finally, I toss the cucumber pieces into the same bowl with the parsley, getting everything ready for the next step. Our next ingredient is ginger. Here I only need to use a small, medium-sized knob of ginger, rather than a whole, large root. After breaking off a small piece, I wash it thoroughly under running water and carefully use a knife to trim away any bruised or damaged parts on the outside. Once the ginger is clean, I use a small spoon to gently scrape off the outer skin. You should use a spoon instead of a peeler because ginger skin is very thin. Using a spoon helps us clean the skin while preserving the essential oils and anti-inflammatory compounds right beneath it. Now, I proceed to slice the ginger into very thin pieces. Slicing it thinly like this will help the blender run much smoother and ensure the ginger is completely pulverized, leaving no gritty bits in your drink. Once sliced, I toss all the ginger pieces into the large glass bowl, along with the prepped parsley and cucumber. One by one, I add the prepped cucumber, ginger, and parsley into the blender jar. Just looking at these fresh, vibrant colors layering up already feels so energizing. Next, I pour in 1 cup of filtered water, which is equivalent to about 300 milliliters. This amount of water is just right to help the blender run smoothly without diluting the natural, rich flavor of our ingredients. I tightly secure the lid to make sure nothing splatters out while blending. Now, I turn the blender on high speed and let it run continuously for about 1 minute. As the blades spin, all the fibers and nutrients are powerfully broken down. I keep an eye on it until the entire mixture is completely combined and turns into a vibrant, smooth, and uniform green color. It only takes a minute, but we've successfully unlocked all the fresh vitamins from the plants. Now, I take a fresh lemon and slice it in half with a knife. For this recipe, using just 1/2 is more than enough. I go ahead and squeeze this half lemon to collect the juice into a small bowl. While squeezing, make sure to use a small strainer to completely filter out the seeds. The essential oils from the lemon peel, combined with its tart juice and ginger, will instantly stimulate your taste buds, waking up your body in the morning. Here is my fresh, vibrant, and completely seedless lemon juice. Now I open the blender lid and slowly pour this fresh lemon juice into the smooth mixture we blended earlier. Blend it gently for just a few more seconds on low speed to thoroughly mix the lemon juice into that vibrant green mixture, and we're done. Slowly pour this vibrant, smooth green mixture into a large glass. Take a look. My final drink should have a bright, vibrant green color and a completely smooth, uniform texture, just like this. As it pours, a light, velvety layer of foam floats to the surface, looking incredibly appetizing while releasing a wonderfully refreshing and pleasant aroma. The finish leaves a wonderfully comforting, gentle warmth and a subtle, spicy kick from the ginger at the back of my throat. Even without any added sugar or honey, I find this drink incredibly easy to enjoy, thanks to the natural, delicate sweetness of the cucumber and parsley. On hot, sultry days, I love to toss a few ice cubes into the glass. As the ice melts, it deeply chills the drink, mellowing out the sharp herbal notes of the parsley and the heat of the ginger, turning this into an incredibly refreshing and palate-pleasing summer cooler. If I have a busy day or happen to blend too much, I will pour this juice into a glass bottle with a secure screw cap and store it immediately in the fridge. But I always recommend that the best way to preserve it is not to store it at all. Right after blending, we should enjoy it within 10 to 15 minutes to fully absorb 100% of the fresh nutrients. Leaving it out for too long not only reduces the rich vitamin C content, but also causes the juice to separate and lose its original delicious taste. Looking at this crisp green glass of juice, I feel instantly motivated to keep up with my healthy lifestyle every day. With just these incredibly simple, easy-to-find ingredients and a few minutes of prep, we can give our bodies a wonderful gift of deep internal cleansing. I hope you successfully make this drink and feel the same rush of fresh, vibrant energy that I do. Now, let's bottoms up. Aside from this green drink, I want to share with you a special jar of ginger sauce. This is my secret weapon to elevate any simple dish to a restaurant quality level with just 5 minutes in the kitchen. And the recipe is incredibly simple. First, I choose very fresh ginger roots. and use a spoon to gently scrape off the skin. Next, I use a hand grater to finely grate the ginger. Please note that you shouldn't use a blender here. Grating it by hand like this allows the ginger to keep its natural crispy texture. When mixed into the sauce, it gives a delightful crunch that goes perfectly with your meals, unlike being completely pulverized into liquid. Here's a quick pro tip for you. Fresh ginger contains a lot of tough, stringy fibers. If you're ever in a rush, just pop the ginger root into the freezer before grating. Freezing hardens those fibers, making it incredibly smooth and effortless to grate by hand without any annoying strings getting stuck in your grater. The secret to making this sauce not only aromatic, but also visually appealing is green onions. I choose fresh, vibrant green onions, wash them thoroughly, and let them drain completely. I proceed to finely chop both the white parts and the green leaves. The combination of the mild, sweet pungency from the whites and the distinct aroma of the green leaves when blended with ginger creates an absolute explosion of flavors. After chopping them finely, I put all the fresh green onions into a bowl. Next, I place a pot on the stove, pour in about a cup of cooking oil, and heat it over medium heat. As the oil begins to shimmer, I add all of the grated ginger into the pan. At this point, I turn the heat down to the lowest setting, letting the ginger cook slowly to release all of its aromatic essential oils without burning. As soon as the ginger becomes fragrant, I toss in the finely chopped green onions. We only need to stir quickly for about 30 seconds to a minute, then turn off the heat immediately. The residual heat of the oil is just enough to flash cook the green onions, keeping them crisp while locking in this beautiful, vibrant jade green color without letting them turn dull or yellow. Now, I season this with 2 teaspoons of pink salt. This salt not only balances the natural sweetness of the ginger and onions, but also adds beneficial trace minerals for your health. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. This mild, clean tartness will cut through the richness of the oil, making the sauce incredibly appetizing and downright addictive. I stir quickly for about 10 seconds to let the seasonings fully dissolve and combine, then turn off the heat. Afterwards, I leave the pan of sauce in a cool, well-ventilated spot until it cools down completely. Remember not to put a lid on or seal it in a jar while it's still hot. The condensed water droplets inside will cause the sauce to mold and spoil quickly. Once the sauce has completely cooled, I gently spoon the entire mixture into a glass jar that has been thoroughly sterilized and dried. And just like that, I have a special jar of ginger sauce ready for the entire week. Incredibly quick and easy, right? This sauce is perfect for tossing into salads, dipping boiled meat or steamed fish, or simply mixing with a bowl of hot rice. It's enough to make any dish explode with flavor, just like a 5-star restaurant. Good luck with your cooking. As for how to use it, this sauce is incredibly versatile. I often use it as a dipping sauce for boiled chicken, steamed seafood, or boiled vegetables. It neutralizes any fishy odor perfectly and enhances the natural sweetness of the meat. I even use it to marinate fish or chicken before pan-searing. It creates an incredible aroma without needing many other seasonings. A small reminder, since this sauce is oil-based, the oil may solidify slightly when refrigerated, which is completely normal. Before using, just stir it well with a clean spoon and take a proper amount to instantly elevate your dish. With just these simple steps, your family meals will be completely transformed. You should definitely give it a try. If you found my shared tips helpful, please give me a like hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on the next simple healthcare routines. Thank you so much for joining me throughout today's video. Wishing you always stay in great health and have a wonderful day full of energy. Goodbye and see you in the next videos.